Namaskar. Welcome back to another session of Wisdom Tales. In the journey of life, sometimes we encounter people who are good to us, and sometimes we encounter people who are not so good to us, and we categorize them as enemies or friends. Friends are people who generally help us grow in life. Enemies are those who curb our progress. But is it really so? Is it always true that it is friends who help us grow and enemies who bring us down? Let's try to understand this from a story in the Mahabharata. Dronacharya was appointed as the teacher for both the Pandavas and Kauravas. The students got trained under Dronacharya, and when they finished their education, Dronacharya came to Dhritarashtra and announced the completion of their studies. And he wanted to organize a festival, a function, an exhibition of the skills that they had learned in the school. So Dhritarashtra agreed to it. A day was decided when Pandavas and Kauravas who learned the skills would display it in an exhibition match. On the day of this exhibition, all the Kuru clan, Bhishma, Drona, Dhritarashtra, and all the citizens, they all gathered in the arena to watch the prowess of the Pandavas and the Kauravas. There was an amazing display of skills of archery, bowmanship, spears, sword fighting. And while this was all going on, the crowd was getting excited to see their future protectors being trained up so well in martial arts. Finally, it was the turn of Bhima and Duryodhan to showcase the art of mace fighting. So while they got into that fight, it became personal. Bhima was very angry at Duryodhan, and Duryodhan was very angry at Bhima. So they got into a fight and became personal. While this was happening, Dronacharya had to intervene and let Arjuna come in and show his skill. So when Arjuna came in, Arjuna started displaying wonderful things with his bow and arrow. He first created fire, and then with another arrow, he created water which extinguished the fire. Suddenly he created a cloud, and then with another arrow, he brought in a huge wind to blow that clouds to tithers. He created a mountain and then he made it disappear. So there was a wonderful presentation of archery by Arjuna. While this was all happening, there's one stranger who suddenly barged into this function. Everyone was surprised. What was happening? This is the graduation day for the students of Dronacharya. Who's this intruder who's just walked in? This guy comes up and challenges Arjuna and says, "Hey Arjuna, you have shown us so many beautiful things, but I can outdo them." And this person actually started showing up things that Arjuna had just performed. While this was going on, this stranger challenged Arjuna for a fight, and Arjuna agreed. In the meantime, Kripacharya, the Kulguru, intervened and he said, "Before we start this fight, let's understand, please introduce yourself. What's your name? Who's your guru? Who's your father? What's your lineage?" When an introduction was sought from the stranger felt mum. Seeing this, Duryodhana, who was watching all this with careful eyes, he saw this opportunity to get back at the Pandavas. Finally, he had seen somebody who can match the archery skills of Arjuna. He immediately wanted to strike a friendship with the stranger. Duryodhana jumped down and immediately went to the stranger and said, "Oh friend, I right now coronate you as the king of Angada." That's your introduction. You are Angada Naresh. And right before the eyes of everyone in that arena, he called the priests and had the coronation ceremony done. While the coronation ceremony was being done, the father of the stranger, Atiratha, started walking into the arena. He was overjoyed to see his son being coronated as a king of a place. And he shouted out to the son, "Oh, Karna, I am so happy for you." This warrior who had walked in unannounced, uninvited, was Karna. Now, on that day, two lives changed forever. One was Arjuna and one was Karna. Externally, what it appears to be is that Arjuna got an enemy for life. Karna got a friend for life, Duryodhana. But was it so? What happened afterwards? Right from that point on, Arjuna was on his toes. He knew he had competition. He was striving continuously to see that he improve his skills. And that's what kept Arjuna right at the top. What happened to Karna? Duryodhana kept telling Karna that you are the best. You don't need anything. What you need is only recognition. It's just that the world must know about your powers. You already are the most powerful person, the best archer. Karna, having a person like Duryodhana as friend, was continuously being told that it's only that you need to be known in this world. You're already the best and powerful, most powerful. On the other hand, Arjuna now was trying to improve himself. So who gained from this? Arjuna, though he had a bitter enemy now, it helped him grow. Karna, though he had a friend in Duryodhana, it actually curbed his growth. So friends, many times people externally identify with others as friends and enemies. But actually, who are the people who help us grow? They are our true friends. And the people who tell us that we are good, there's nothing more to be done in life, they are the ones who curb our progress. Let's be mindful of this. Thank you very much. I hope you like this story and there's enough learning from it. See you again next week. Namaskar.